Thank you for participating in the webinar which is being conducted on the changes that are going to be live on MTBC's website by coming Friday. My name is Irfan, and I will be providing a brief overview on how these changes will reflect towards our website. This is a quick review on the changes that are going to be discussed today in this webinar. Let's get started with it. The very first option is check legibility option. Now, we have included this option and functionality in the WebEHR as well as the practice management system. This allows you to check legibility for the patients while being in their demographics page under Insurances tab at the top corner right above the insurance's name. The next change we have is about self-pay payments. We have included this option to select self-pay patients while entering or modifying patients' demographic details in their personal page under the alerts box. This information also reflects in the claim tab where a self-pay box would automatically be checked when creating a claim. Then we have obsolete medicine search. While e-prescribing obsolete medications, the medicines will not appear under the medicine search. We have provided a comprehensive medicine search feature in the WebEHR, so if a medicine being searched is an obsolete medication, it will be highlighted in red color, and it can only be in a read-only format. These medications will only be showing when we are doing the regular prescriptions. The next change we have in the WebEHR is provider voice messages. In messages portion of the WebEHR, we have added a feature to search the messages for any provider by choosing their name in the drop-down list. The next change we have is about referring physician search by NPI. Referring physician can now also be able to search by entering their NPI number at any part of the website where they are meant to be added. The next thing we have is about patient search criteria settings. We can now define a default search criteria for the patients, whether they want to be searched by contains or begin with option. You can always switch the options from the patient search tab. The next part we have is about the patient education. Patient education now hosts all the saved contents for the clients that were transitioned from MTBC server-based EMR to our WebEHR. There's another change in lab interfacing and comments. From now, you can see the lab names in their relative screen, which includes order summary results, sign results, and result log. All the labs which we have set up the interfaces with will be showing in dark green color. We've also introduced a legend for interface and non-interface labs to differentiate. In the same portal of the website, we have given an option to customize quick pick notes in the WebEHR settings under the lab comments. So we can now be able to customize the comments. The next change is about the Psychiatry module print preview. We have given an option to exclude or include the Psychiatry module information by simply checking the box which you want to print as a part of the print. Then we have chart amendment settings. These settings are introduced to clear or show the disclaimer at the bottom of the sign chart by choosing the option under Carry Forward Settings in the WebEHR. Formatting options in History of Presenting Illness and Physical Exams. Information which is being selected in a text format under HPI and PE can now be formatted by the given toolbox above the text to customize it accordingly. We have added a report for missing claims under the WebEHR. Real-time updating of missing claims reports data. Now you can work on all missing claims by being on one page, and you can update them real-time. The last and the major PMS change, which is done on the practice management portion of the website, is the header on the reports. Practice names will now be appearing on all reports as a header when they are printed. Lab widgets on welcome page. We have placed a lab widget on welcome page to take a quick glance on lab's activity. Financial guarantor-wise claims. Under reporting, there is a report added as guarantor-wise claims to be able to search all the claims which were billed or created under any specific financial guarantor. Thank you for watching the webinar. You can give us a call in case of any questions or queries at the number given as 732-873-5133, extension 102. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. बस खत्म हो गया ठीक है